Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a 1D cantilever beam problem with square cross section using ANSYS Workbench. This problem gives you the basic idea of static structural analysis in ANSYS. So you can see the properties of beam on your screen. So first of all, select the static structural analysis from the systems by double click on it, or you can simply drag it to the project screen. So the first step to define the engineering data, the material property to your problem. You can select any material of your need from the library, or you can customize your material. You can define your own material. Defining new material, we need to define the basic properties of the material like Young's modulus, Poisson ratio, and other properties which are needed in the analysis. Once you define the material property, you need to go in the geometry. So just double click on the geometry. A design modeler will open. In the latest version of the ANSYS, like in 2018 and 19, there is another modeling software is embedded with it, that is SpaceClaim. So you can model your problem either in SpaceClaim or in Design Modeler. In Design Modeler, first you need to select a plane and then look at. From the sketching, select a line and draw it. From the dimensions, you can define the dimensions to your geometry. In our case, length of line is 4 meter. From the concept, choose line from the sketch and apply. So you can see your one part, one body means we have generated a body successfully. Now again go to concept and define cross section. You can define your cross section property from the detail view, like height and width. In our case it is square, so height and width will be same. Then generate. Now select line body and allot the cross section to it and generate. After every step you need to click generate. You can also import the geometry if you have made the geometry from any other software. So geometry is done. Next you need to go in model. In model you can define or change the mesh property of your model, or you can set up boundary conditions. So you can see a single line is here. You cannot see your cross section here. To see your cross section, just go on view and select cross section. So this is your 1D geometry with cross section. So now we need to allot the material to this geometry. So go into geometry, select line body, and by default material of ANSYS is structural steel. So you can allot your material from here. Now click on the mesh and update. So you can see from the stats the number of nodes and number of elements you have used. So result does matter on the mesh quality. So you can change your mesh quality also. Now we will set up the boundary conditions. So select static structure, select the fixed support, as we are doing the cantilever problem. So one end is fixed and we'll apply the load on the another end. These three boxes represent the point selection. Another one is the edge selection, and third one is the face selection. So if you want to fix a edge, choose edge selection tool, or if you want to fix a point, then select the vertex selection tool. So this vertex is fixed now. Now apply the loads. So just go into the loads and select force. Again, if you want to apply load on the edge, then select edge selection tool. So select the required vertex and apply the load. You can apply the load in two ways. One is vector form or in component form. I am selecting the component form. It's easy to visualize in which direction you are applying the load. The minus sign is used because I am going to apply the load in negative y direction. So your boundary condition has been set up now. So it's time to get the result. Select the deformation or total deformation. Right click on the total deformation and solve. So you can see the deformation plot here. You can see maximum deformation is 3.8 something, which is marked as red. So from the beam tool, you can also evaluate the different type of stresses, like direct stresses, combined stresses. The procedure is same, right click and solve.